Hi everyone! I'm going to just do a really quick video showing you how to navigate our D2L page and how to get the most out of the activities we do each week. So I'm in student view right now. Whenever you log into our course, this is what you should see. It'll have news items there for you, like the one I posted this afternoon. Okay, and so each week what I'd like you to do is go to the content page, and let's just pretend it's week 3. You'll see the to-do list, any additional readings outside of the textbook, your guided learning activity, your reading quiz, and then these 2 items will be hidden from view until you complete the reading quiz. So just pretend those don't exist for now. You should go in and you should look at the to-do list. This will have all of your readings on it, and then links to your guided learning, your reading quiz, the survey in case you need to access that because you didn't score 80% on the reading quiz. And then you'll also have the link to the discussion post there. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is the readings in the textbook. Let's assume I've already completed those. And then I've already completed this, an additional reading. So then the next step is to take the guided learning activity, which is that lecture activity. Either you can click from here, from inside the to-do list, or you can go directly to the quizzes tab. You'll see all of the guided learning activities and all of the reading quizzes and your exams there for you. You can't access most of those, but they're there for you anyway. You'll want to go to whichever week it is, so we're pretending it's week 3. Click on that, and you want to start your quiz. Okay, and so then you complete your quiz however you see fit, and then what you'll do is you'll wait for my feedback. So let's just go ahead and submit this. Let's pretend I answered all the questions. It's just warning me I haven't answered everything. Hit submit. Once you do, it'll show up just like this for you. This just means I haven't graded it. So a little bit of behind the scenes magic has to happen. I have to grade it and then publish that to you. So I'm going to go and do that right now, and I'll come right back here. Okay, so now we're back in student view. Let's say it's the next day and I have logged in. I'm going to go either to the content page and navigate that way, or straight to quizzes. And I'm going to look at my week 3 submissions. So you'll navigate to the week we're on, hit the little drop down arrow, then click submissions. This will show you all of your attempts, and it will show you here that it has been graded. If you see a little -10 with no letter grade, that means it hasn't been graded yet, and so just keep waiting patiently for that grade to show up. So I got an 8 out of 10. And so what you should do is you should click on attempt 1, and then this is going to show you feedback and correct or incorrect responses. So in the first question I got the 1 out of 1. Then you're going to click on view feedback. You can see I got great job, 1 point. This one I got needs a little more work, so only half a point. Then on question 4 it says I completely missed the mark, so I got 0 points. You're going to have that type of feedback on every single question, either 0, 1/2, or 1 point, depending on your level of performance on that question. So view that feedback for every question on every guided learning activity. After you've done that, you'll need to go take the reading quiz. Okay, so let's scroll down there. We'll take that reading quiz. I'm going to do the same thing and make sure it grades properly here. But it should, because these are automatically graded. And so we'll go through and pick random numbers here, because this is your actual reading quiz, so I'm not going to tell you the right answers, am I? No. Okay, perfect. So then I will submit my reading quiz. Perfect. And the reading quizzes will automatically grade. So I got 1.67 out of 5 possible points here. Okay, and what that means is that I cannot access the discussion board because I don't have an 80%. Now if this was my second attempt, the next step would be to go to the survey tab and complete this check-in survey. Okay, when you do that check-in survey, it's going to ask you 2 questions. What are you having trouble with, and how can I help you as your instructor? Just fill that out for me, and then I will respond via email to you with those concerns. But what this does is it overrides the 80% necessary to access a discussion board. So then you can just pop on over to discussions, and there's week 3. So that's going to be the best order for you to do everything in. That is how the course is designed for you to complete each activity, okay, in that specific order. The main thing what I want you to do is make sure that after you submit these guided learning activities and the reading quizzes, you're going in you're clicking the drop down arrow, and you're viewing those submissions. So really important so you can get your grade as high as possible. Okay, that's all I have for this short video. Hopefully that's helpful in making sure you understand how to navigate our course. I'm going to add this video to this existing news item. It'll show up right here at the bottom for you. Okay, you all have a great week, and as always, email me with any questions.